Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi 17 and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera app. So currently we are in the standard photo mode, but the mode doesn't really matter because we will open general settings. So to do that, we need to swipe our finger from the top to the center, just like that, to open more options, and then let's tap on settings, so this gear icon. Now let's go to general, and here let's scroll all the way down to find other settings. Now tap on restore default settings and confirm it by tapping on OK. So the options flashed a little bit, and this is the indicator that we just successfully reset all camera preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.